the law of potential. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Great one to follow on from law number 8. That is Ralph Waldo Emerson. The transformation principle is that within everybody, every person, there exists an unrealized capacity. The limits of you and your life today are not the limits of tomorrow, meaning you can literally just decide to tap in to your God-given power, your unrealized potential. Ties very perfectly into law number 8. But with that, you also have to remember that, kind of like the previous point, you have that potential, but if you're not actually tapping into that potential, you also have the burden of guilt and shame and the responsibility that you could have taken, that you are responsible for you not realizing the next level of your potential. Two sides to the same coin. Okay, so the law of potential, what lies behind us and what lies before us are very small compared to what lies within us. Always bring your energy and your focus into, am I showing up right now as the most powerful version of myself, the best version of me? Well, if you were, you would be earning a lot more money. You wouldn't be spending your time watching a YouTube video. You'd be out there chilling, doing something in your infinity pool. Not dirty things, but doing something in your infinity pool. Taking your parents on a world-class holiday. Taking your Lamborghini down the Pacific Coast Highway. You would not be watching a video if you had been making the decisions to actualize, self-actualized sales, what is within you. My whole mastermind, my whole brand is about unlocking human potential. It's not about sales. Sales is just the vehicle. Sales is not the end goal. I don't really give that much of a shit about sales. I care about unlocking my potential and helping others do the same. And sales is the best vehicle that I've experienced to do that. It's also the vehicle that I had experience of. In other words, it wasn't random or coincidence that I was in sales. But don't think that what my channel or my brand is about is sales. I don't care about close rate, paid in fulls, pitching, this, like all of these buzzwords of sales. What I care about is unlocking human excellence, mastery, standards, greatness, legacy, mentorship. I care about originality. I care about being the top 0.1%. I care about philosophy and mythology and the hero's journey and what has been written in thousands and thousands and thousands of years as the blueprint for quote unquote enlightenment. You fully realizing your full potential. That is what this is all about. So whilst this is on my sales training YouTube channel, it's all about self-actualizing through the vehicle. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.